Let's talk about the anatomy of the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ that digests food. It produces enzymes, substances that create chemical reactions, and acids, digestive juices. A mix of enzymes and digestive juices breaks down food so it can pass to your small intestine. The stomach has 5 distinct sections or parts. 1. The cardia is the top part of your stomach. It contains the cardiac sphincter, which prevents food from traveling back up your esophagus. 2. The fundus is a rounded section next to the cardia. It's below your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle that helps you breathe. 3. The body, corpus, is the largest section of your stomach. In the body, your stomach contracts and begins to mix food. 4. The antrum lies below the body. It holds food until your stomach is ready to send it to your small intestine. 5. The pylorus is the bottom part of your stomach. It includes the pyloric sphincter. This ring of tissue controls when and how your stomach contents move to your small intestine. Layers of muscle and other tissues make up your stomach. Mucosa is your stomach's inner lining. When your stomach is empty, the mucosa has small ridges, rugae. When your stomach is full, the mucosa expands, and the ridges flatten. The submucosa contains connective tissue, blood vessels, lymph vessels, part of your lymphatic system, and nerve cells. It covers and protects the mucosa. The muscularis externa is the primary muscle of your stomach. It has 3 layers that contract and relax to break down food. Serosa is a layer of membrane that covers your stomach. Organs associated with the stomach include the anterior left lobe of the liver and the abdominal wall, posterior abdominal aorta, pancreas, spleen, left kidney, and adrenal gland, superior diaphragm, esophagus, and left lobe of liver, inferior transverse colon, and small intestine. To the left side are the diaphragm and spleen. To the right are the liver and duodenum. The structure of the stomach. The stomach continues with the esophagus at the cardiac sphincter. Duodenum at the pyloric sphincter. Curves. The lesser curvature lies on the posterior surface of the stomach. Downward continues with the esophagus posterior wall. Greater curvature, just before the pyloric sphincter curves upward and forms a J shape. Blood supply, arterial supply. Left gastric artery, branch of the celiac artery. Right gastric artery and gastroepiploic artery. Venous drainage. Left gastric vein. The right gastric vein joins the portal vein. The gastric juice. Gastric juice is a unique combination of hydrochloric acid, HCl, lipase, and pepsin. Its main function is to inactivate swallowed microorganisms, thereby inhibiting infectious agents from reaching the intestine. About 2 liters of gastric juices are secreted daily and consist of 1. Water and minerals secreted by gastric glands. 2. Mucus secreted by the mucus cell on the stomach wall. 3. Hydrochloric and intrinsic factor by the parietal cell of the gastric gland. 4. Pepsinogen, the secretion of gastric juices. Always a small quantity of juice is present in the stomach. Fasting juice. Secretion reaches maximum after 1 hour of the meal and declines to the level after 4 hours. There are 3 phases of secretion, which are 1. Cephalic phase, before food reaches the mouth. By stimulation of the vagus nerve, parasympathetic, the sight or smell of the food. 2. Gastric phase, stimulated by the presence of food. Enteroendocrine cells in the pylorus and duodenum secrete gastrin. 3. Intestinal phase. Partially digested food reaches the intestine. Two hormones secreted by endocrine cells in the mucosa are secretin and cholecystokinin. They slow down the secretion of gastric juice and gastric motility. The functions of gastric juices. 1. Water liquefies the food swallowed. 2. Hydrochloric acid stops the action of salivary amylase, kills the ingested microbes, and provides an acidic environment. 3. Pepsin for protein digestion. 4. Intrinsic factors for absorption of vitamin B. 5. Mucus prevents mechanical injury. The function of the stomach. 1. Chemical digestion. 2. Mechanical breakdown of food. 3. Limited absorption of water and alcohol. 4. Nonspecific defense against microbes. 5. Preparation of iron substances. 6. Regulation of the passage of gastric content into the duodenum. Let's explore an evolutionary perspective on the stomach. Over millions of years, the stomach has evolved complex structural adaptations that allow it to efficiently process a wide variety of foods. Different dietary habits and environmental conditions have influenced the development of digestive enzymes, enhancing our ability to absorb essential nutrients and adapt to varied diets. Good digestive health is crucial for overall well-being. Our stomach plays a vital role in maintaining a balanced internal environment and preventing diseases. The stomach also harbors a population of microbes that aid in digestion. These microorganisms break down food substances, synthesize vitamins, and protect against pathogens.